In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your AI model on Perplexity AI. So if you're about to give it a prompt, you can change the model that you want it to be used to answer your question or your prompt. So now let's try to enter a prompt here. So we tap on that and you can see the search button there. You can see the arrow on your screen. Just tap on that. Good. So now we have best chosen, but then we can change it to any of our choices. We have Claude Sonnet, we have Claude Opus, we have GPT-5 thinking and all that. We have Gook and all that. Let me choose Gook. Good. So this is for Pro. I think this app, most of the AIs that the APIs, AI APIs on here that are best are all Pro. Yeah. So also if you are trying to run a research, you can see you can choose the research here. You have 3 free. And then you give it a prompt and then you get your answer. So that's it on how you switch your models when you're asking or you are giving Perplexity AI a prompt. Most of the features here are for pros. So yeah, that's it. If you are free, you have limited access, but then I think it's still cool if you get to know all these things and later you have money, you can use this app very much efficiently. That's why I'm making this video. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.